Well, there's no problem. If you had a gun, shoot him in the head.
Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Finally we are making a vlog, a workout vlog with the beast. That is only for people now, but next vlog is gonna be full. Anyway, I just decided to make a vlog. I just call everyone to come to the park. We're gonna do a small workout. Maybe we'll do some statics, set and reps. We try to do everything and let's go.
اليوم وكا تورموند
خلاص انا في الجزائر
صافي انا غنمشي. اش بيك يا صاحبي؟
خلاص الجزائر
راك فاهم. خلاص انا اصلا صحابي هنايا كاملين اللي في الامارات اللي في دبي كاملين جزائريين والله.
نعم فيك تمتع الجزائر
جزائري
راح الفلوق داك الشيء.
I just need a conversation. Your attitude is really knocking through my patience. I go and scream the middle fifth of contemplation. Bitch, you really didn't trick my shit wide open like you Jason. Don't take too long, don't need a shit if I embrace it. Let me get over you, gon' see what you be facing. It's really hard for me to get a confirmation, but you having hella fun like you be sitting on vacation. My brother with me popping pills, we zoning out. I understand my state of mind, that's why it's so impossible for me to lose my head and lose my fucking craft, yeah. I get too busy cause I know what I'm about, bitch. Things getting tricky, my emotions moving out. Oh shit, we really thought we gon' be cool and now we should've thought about this shit when you ignore my fucking mouth, eh. Now all them dreams, they be fucking with my head. Damn, was waking up like every day with you not there. Was contemplating if I maybe would not rather just be dead, yeah. These situations really want me there in bed. These situations want me breaking hearts in bed. Don't give a fuck you bitch, I'd rather just be mad instead of walking with my halo and staying hella sad, eh. Was waking up like every day with you not there. Was contemplating if I maybe would not rather just be dead, eh. Don't give a fuck you bitch, I'd rather just be mad instead of walking with my halo and staying hella sad, eh. Was waking up like every day with you not there. Was contemplating if I maybe would not rather just be dead, eh. Don't give a fuck you bitch, I'd rather just be mad instead of walking with my halo and staying hella sad, eh. All I'm pissed I just need a conversation. Your attitude is really knocking through my patience. I go and scream the middle fifth of contemplation. Bitch, you really didn't trick my shit wide open like you Jason. Don't take too long, don't need a shit if I embrace it. Let me get over you and see what you be facing. It's really hard for me to get the confirmation, but you having hella fun like you be sitting on vacation.
شاب نخدمو انا وياك سانكرونايز نخدمو بيربيس صافي.
هادي بوربيس بساعة زي 3 ليكلات.
بصح انا حاب نخدم 3 ولا 4 مع بعض. يجيو
Let's go. Hey!
ما شكون يخلص المخالفة ويجلب له المخالفة والله خسلة ها؟
Hey.
Smash fools, smash fools.
Let's go,
Any motherfucker whispering about wildness, bad boys behind.
المهم خوتي موتيفاسيون اليامات الاخرين هادو شغل ما كانتش كاع، كانت ناقصه وكنت نفورسي بزاف روحي باش نونطريني مالغري شغل اللي يجيك الاحساس هذاك تاع راك تونطريني بور ريان، شغل ما كاش كومبيتيسيون ما كاش شغل من داك تخمم تقول علاش زعما راني نونطريني شغل هكا جوست بور لا فورم راكم فاهمين. سو يا تما واش حبيت ندير، حبيت هكا زعما نبداو نديروا لي فيديو باش نعاودوا نحيو شويه الحاله، ودوك الفيديو الجاي راح يكون ان شاء الله في البارك تاع البرشا. So next video we're gonna do it in Barsha Park Pound with the Barsha community there. Hope everyone can come and yeah.
الاولى اللي نهضروا عليها علاش الموتيفاسيون راهي ناقصه باسكو شوف شحال راهي. It's 8 p.m. and the humidity is 67%. Like it feels like 43 degrees. You cannot train in this weather. It's really hard weather. But if you can survive on this weather, you can. I can sure like you can be a world champion. You can be a world champion.
Yeah, that's true.
Because
If
if
you
you
can
saw the park
survive.
now, like it's really empty. There is me and Mehdi. Like we are like the dogs of the park.
That's
If
true.
somebody comes here, we're gonna But we promise you, after September, in October or something, we're gonna collaborate. Me and Mehdi gonna do a really sexy, nice video. And we can
Okay.
also we are training as well.
Actually, it's coming soon. Not even until yeah. And the same. Like even if I'm not feeling motivated to work out, I will just come to work out because we don't have anything to do and we used to work out. So
Yes. So we have.
so that's it, guys. I said that we came here just to make a video to motivate ourselves. We didn't even like to tough workout.
And we would love to motivate you all. Like,
Yeah.
Either we would love to motivate you
That's
also.
it.
We want you to keep working out. No
we did
matter what.
we did this video just for motivation and just to keep you working out. Maybe if you see this video, you will get the motivation and you will go to work out like us. And hopefully in the future it's gonna be better. And I will make sure to post more videos or workout videos and stuff. And we'll kill it. So see you soon and take care.